Good morning, everybody. Today we start graph coloring and its subtopic decomposition theorem. Let V1 and V2 be two adjacent vertices of a simple graph G. Let G dash be a graph obtained from G by adding an edge between V1 and V2. Let G double dash be a graph obtained from G by merging the vertices of V1 V2 together and deleting the vertex V1 V2. Then f of gx equal to f of g dash x plus f of g double dash x. Now example, consider the following graph G A B C D. Now adding B and D we get G dash, and deleting CD and adding CB we get G double dash. Now from the previous class we know that the graph G is a tree with 4 vertices. Therefore, the chromatic polynomial of f of gx of g f of gx is equal to x into x minus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 1, that is x into x minus 1 whole to the power 3, and g double dash is a complete graph with 3 vertices. So the chromatic polynomial of g double dash f of g double dash x equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore, by decomposition theorem, we write f of gx equal to f of g dash x plus f of g double dash x. Now, f of g dash x equal to f of gx minus f of g double dash x. So putting the value of f of gx, x into x minus 1 whole cube minus putting the value of f of g double dash x, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore we calculating we get x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square minus 3x. Now we discuss edge coloring of a graph. Previous class we discussed vertex coloring of a graph. Now we discuss edge coloring of a graph. A simple graph is said to be k-edge colorable if it is possible to assign a color from a set of k number of colors to each edge such that no two adjacent edges are assigned same color. We say that the graph is edge colored. If a graph, that is simple graph, is k edge colorable but not k minus 1 edge colorable, we say that the graph G is k edge chromatic graph and it is edge chromatic number chi1 G is k. Now example, consider the graph G whose edge is 5 e1 e2 e3 e4 e5 and its color red, green, black, blue. If we assign red is to e1, green e2, blue e3, black e4 and red e5, we see no two adjacent edges are assigned the same color, so G is 4 edge colorable graph. Again we could assign red to e1, green to e2, red to e3, green to e4 and again red to e5. Then G is 2 edge colorable also. Note that it would be impossible to meet the above requirement by only one color, so G is 2 edge chromatic graph and chi1 G is 2. Now consider the problem. color the edge of the following graph with the color set green, red, yellow, black. Try to color the edge with any three colors in the set. Hence, write the value of chi1g. The coloring is shown below by writing the color name beside edge. The maximum value of degree of the vertex is 4. Del g is 4. So chi1g greater equal to 4. G cannot be colored with any three of the given colors. So chi1g equal to 4. What is the edge chromatic number of the following graph? The given graph is complete graph. Since 5 is odd, so chromatic number of the graph is 5. Find the edge chromatic number of the following graph. Another problem. Here delta G equal to 5. Delta G means maximum degree of the vertex of the graph is delta G. So here delta G equal to 5. So by theorem, previous class we discussed the theorem, chi1g equal to 5. A complete graph consists of 45 number of edges. Find the edge chromatic number of the graph. Let G be a complete graph having n number of vertices, then number of edge of G equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we write n into n minus 1 by 2 equal to 45. So, we calculate n equal to 10. Okay. Now, we discuss map coloring. In this section, we have to first introduce the term bridge in a graph. Let G be a graph. If we remove an edge E, then the number of component in the obtained graph G minus E may either be same as the graph G or increase by exactly 1. A edge E of a graph G is called a bridge if the subgraph G minus E has more component, then G is called a bridge. Now from this example, G is a graph, the number of the component is 2. If we remove the edge E, then we see the graph G minus E is 3 component. But we delete the edge E dash, we see that the graph G is 2 component. So from the graph G, E is the bridge, but E dash is not the bridge of G. Okay, thank you. Next class we discuss problem of the map color.